Okay guys, so this unit consists of 3 bundles and a closure. It's a 4x4 closure. I did construct these bundles and closure into a wig. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I highlighted this wig. I really like the curls that were going on. I like how full I made it, but now I was like, I need some color. I need some additional pizzazz to this unit, so that is what I'm going to show you guys today. So what I'm going to do is just kind of take it layer by layer, meaning each individual track that I sewn on. I'm just going to take it like that and just distribute some of this bleach on certain areas of the hair. You'll see how my process, how I do it, just to have more of like a F1B 30 look. I wanted to just have like some streaks with a little bit of color in it. I will also be slightly messy with this process as well because I don't want it to be perfect, but I do want to have just like a little bit of highlight going on. So here's the wig after I have finished letting the bleach sit on it and after I have conditioned it with regular conditioner. And it has some really nice highlighted parts in it. I would say this is definitely close to a F1B 30. If you're not familiar with that, you could Google it and it'll show you how it basically is like a 1B color with a little bit of brownish patches throughout it, and that's exactly what I have. So now we're going to get it styled and put on. With this boo daddy, we got this boo daddy right here. I call my wigs boo daddy, by the way. I don't know why, but it's just a name I give them. This is actually a little too wet, so I'm gonna have to blow dry it a little bit because I can't deal with how well Don't you look like Miss Curly Sue? Okay guys, let's go ahead and get this wig installed and put on. So the first thing that I was paying attention to was I gotta get this lace front flat. So I went in with my hot comb. I used it at about 15 degrees, which is about second to the highest, and it was pretty freaking hot because let me tell you, woo, I literally about burnt my freaking scalp. That flat iron gets extremely hot. So after I got that flat and I was like, okay, gotta go in and pluck the lace front as well. It was full, not too full though. So I'm very proud of that. It wasn't extremely full, but it was full. So I had to pluck that, and then I went off camera and just took it off my head and plucked it a little bit more just for better detail, and I could really see how I want it to be. I knew that I didn't want to over pluck this frontal and make it like extremely thin on the hairline. I just wanted it to be a little less full so it could lay a little bit flatter and I could make it look a little bit more seamless into my skin when putting it on. So what I love so far about this unit is that it's going to be an easy grab and go unit. If anything, you'll just have to put some water on it to rejuvenate it, and then you can really just run out of the door. So this unit was pretty damp. I was getting ready to style it and put it on, so I did have to go in my blow dryer, dry it down a little bit, and once I did my hot comb, it did make my pretty dry. So I went in with some mousse, the ORS olive oil one, and then I used a little bit of water with leave-in conditioner just to rejuvenate it and bring it back to life and have the more damp look. The one thing I noticed about this hair is that it did not take bleach well. This bleach actually sat on my hair for a good amount of time, and this is as light as I could get it. I was definitely going for something a little bit lighter, and usually when I bleach some hair, you know, it gets lighter than this, but it did turn out pretty. I like the color that it is. However, I wanted it to be a little bit lighter. That was what I was going for, but nonetheless, it still did come out cute. I just want you to know that if you do get the hair, it's not going to take bleach as well. Now I noticed that the closure took the bleach a whole lot better than the actual bundles did. So I'm not really sure if the hair type may be different. I don't know what that may consist of, but I will say while I was making the wig, I had no issues at all with the hair. Like, there was no tangle, no shedding, which I really appreciated. Like, it didn't shed at all, and it smelled great. It had a wonderful feel to it as well. So all in all, I do like this hair. If you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description box below. Have all the information there for you to try it out. Thank you to Donmily Hair on Amazon for sending me this hair to use today. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.